Welcome to the YouTube channel Pcmb Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th chemistry chapter Metallurgy part 7, and this is the last part of this chapter. First of all, we are going to see some facts. First one is iron, the essential element. About 70% of iron in the human body is present in the hemoglobin of the blood cells. Bivalent iron, the substance carrying oxygen throughout the tissues of living organism, is a vital component of hemoglobin. It is iron that gives red color to the blood. Iron is absorbed in ferrous state in the stomach and is converted to ferric state while entering plasma. Formation of hemoglobin using iron requires the presence of traces of Copper ions. Copper is present in cyanin, which is the oxygen transport agent in the blue-blooded animals like snails, crabs, octopus, etc. The deficiency of iron in blood causes anemia. Sources of iron is green vegetables, peas, beans, grains, etc. The iron ring love story. One story associated with discovery of iron in the human blood is that on learning about its presence in the blood, a student of chemistry who was deeply in love wanted to make his beloved a ring from the iron in his blood. He drew his blood regularly, then treated it chemically and produced iron, but in doing so he died of anemia, still not having collected the necessary amount of iron, since the human body contains only 3 grams of iron. And next, an important topic is steel. Steel is intermediate between cast iron and wrought iron. It contains carbon content of about 0.1 to 1.5 percentage. Hardness of steel increases with increase in carbon content. The main topic is manufacture of steel by open hearth process. In this process, a mixture of cast iron, scrap iron, and iron ore, hematite, and lime is melted in an open hearth furnace. Note that this hearth is lined with silica SiO2 or calcined dolomite CaO.MgO depending upon the nature of impurities present in the cast iron. And the process is the cast iron along with steel strap is heated to a temperature of 1500 degrees Celsius. Changes takes place like sulfur impurities are removed as sulfur dioxide, silicon and phosphorus are converted to silica, SiO2 and phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. These react with lime and form slag. SiO2 plus CaO gives CaSiO3 slag. P2O5 plus 3CaO gives PA sorry Ca I'm sorry CaPO4 bracket 2 slag. Slag is removed and the molten steel then obtained is made in shapes as required. Advantages of open hearth process. First, a regenerative system of heat economy is employed to save the fuel duct and also the temperature can be controlled. Second, the composition of steel can be controlled easily. Third, the steel obtained is of better quality. Uses in making watch springs and safety razor blades, in manufacture of rails, locomotives and work implements, in making surgical instruments, cutlery, etc. Then our next topic is alloy. We usually observe that while preparing gold ornaments, pure gold is not used due to its specific property of softness. It is usually mixed with silver or copper. In the same way, aluminium in its pure form is light and is difficult to be machined. But when it is mixed with copper and magnesium in the form of duralumin, duralumin, it acquires strength matching steel and can be machined to make aircrafts. Such type of mixing two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal to change the property of the major constituent to achieve a specific objective is called an alloy. The major metal of alloy is called base metal. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal. If the base metal is mercury, then the alloy is called amalgam. 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 Example: sodium amalgam NaHg, zinc amalgam ZnHg. Then types of alloy. There are two types of alloy. First is interstitial alloy. Base metal plus atoms of small non-metallic elements. Example: iron plus carbon gives steel. The small non-metal atoms get trapped in the interspace among the metal atoms. Second is substitutional alloys. Base metal plus atoms of same size. Example: copper plus zinc gives brass. Here the atoms of metal added substitute the atoms of base metal. Practically, alloys are mixtures of both types, interstitial plus substitutional. There is a fact: pure gold not preferred. Goldsmiths cannot work on the pure gold as it is soft. Gold jewelry is made out containing a little copper or silver. The addition of copper makes the resulting alloy harder. During the alloy formation, the atoms of metal or non-metal added occupy the inter-atomic spaces or substitute the atoms of base metal. This results in a compact arrangement, making the alloy hard. The first alloy used by man was bronze. I hope you have understood till this. At this point, we end this chapter. Till this part 7, we have covered each and every topic of metallurgy. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. Let us meet in the new part of another subject, another topic of class 9th. Thank you for watching.